Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, and here we are right inside the 2023 Honda CR-V. This particular one's the EXL. As you guys can see, we get this bad boy on the road right now. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of point of view as you're out there taking it for a test drive, all right? So, anyways, any questions, dropping down below in the comments. I'll do my best to assist you guys from there. Then I also have some other walk-around videos to go more in depth about the standard features and functions, but this is just more of a visual here for you guys and a little education about the CR-V. All right, so the CR-V has been redesigned for 2023, as you guys probably already know, hence why you're watching this video. A couple cool things I have noticed right now, we're on the EXL package, is how on the windshield right here, they square that off down below in the corners. It seems like they thinned out the pillars a little bit, or it just, I got more visibility as I'm looking out of it. I love it. I kind of noticed that right away when I got into it, because my wife and I, we have a 21 CR-V, and visibility is kind of a big thing for both of us. It's because we use it for the kids, you know, haul them around, stuff like that. So that's a bonus. I've also like how they move the side mirrors from the A-pillar down to on the doors. As you can see, kind of opens that blind spot up once again a little more for us. So looks pretty nice from there. Now you get a lot of cool first time things into the Honda CR-V for 2023. For example, you're gonna have a snow mode now. So that's standard in all trims across. So you can put that in right down over here. You can do it as you kind of go. It's just whenever you get ready. And it's going to change how the car is going to perform to optimize your handling in the snow environment. So that's pretty cool. Now for those who are going to have like steep hills, stuff like that, you could be doing some light towing. You do have hill descent control on this. So that's pretty cool. Traffic jam assist has been released on the CR-Vs. So you got a lot of cool stuff, probably a lot more I'm forgetting to mention with you guys on top of my head. All right, now the CR-Vs, they're going to have 4 different trim levels right now. You have an EX and the EXL. The EXL is going to be the highest that you can get for a gas, you know, trim level from there. If you want something higher, you have to go to the Sport Touring, and it's standard is a hybrid. All right, so that brings us to the other 2 trim levels, is a Sport and a Sport Touring. So if you want hybrids, those are your 2 options from there. Now leather, EXL is going to have leather, that's where I'm right now, and then the Sport Touring as well is going to have leather as well. All right, let's get right over here. Now, cool things you could be getting when you get into the Sport Touring from this EXL that we're in right now, you do keep the same touchscreen. This is a 9-inch touchscreen, all right? It's only available in the EXL and the Sport Touring. You get a hybrid system, you get a Bose surround sound, the hands-free power lift gate from there. So you get a lot of cool stuff. I will have a video I'm going to put up there for you guys to know from trim level to trim level, once I get more inventory on hand, what you're gaining each time you move from A to B. Quick little bullet points as you drop down in trim level, like from this EXL to an EX, things you'd be losing, you know, from here it's going to be like the wireless phone charger, wireless Apple CarPlay, excuse me, wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. You go from a 9-inch to a 7-inch touchscreen, the power lift gate, the leather interior. So there's a couple things you'd be losing as you kind of going down to trim level, all right? So visibility on this thing is really nice. I think it's pretty great. The get up and go is very comparable to our CR-V now, maybe a little better from there. So I like it, not noticing a huge difference. I love the visibility point. Lane departure is telling me to, hey, pay attention here. So the layout, I love how we have a big tray right here. That is nice. Because every time we get into the car, my wife and I, we don't know where to put our phones, stuff like that. She always takes it out, plugs it in to charge it. We don't have a wireless phone charger in ours. So if we end up wanting one, I guess we go with an EXL next time around, because that's going to be a big convenient thing from there. And then just having everything kind of move down here, it just, I feel like there's a lot more room. A lot more room in here. Got a little snow going on out there. Now, if you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to assist you guys. Worst case, I'll send you a link to one of my other videos and may answer your questions. Then give me a little feedback, a little more what you guys want to see in these kind of videos, okay? I'm starting these, jumping on my comfortable range, just to help you guys out, because you guys are asking to see these, all right? So give me a little feedback, what you like to see, what kind of routine you'd like me to kind of show with you guys, so that way you have all the information you need if you get out to the dealership, take things out for a test drive, okay? All right, so here we are. I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys soon.